Hello everyone, this is Naren Krish. In today's Trending Thursday, we are going to see a cool command line tool called K9S to use with your Kubernetes cluster. Head on to their website, link is also in the description, scroll down to this amazing documentation to installation link. Now you can see they have instructions for all OS. I'm going to install it in Windows, so I use Choco install. Please note, you need to have already installed Choco Package Manager in Windows or Chocolate Package Manager. Once after installation, you can invoke the binary K9S. By default, without any arguments, it will show all the pods view. Also, it will show all the commands you can execute in this particular page. Let's press D command to describe this pod under selection. Please note, I have enabled screencast keys on the top left, the orange one, so that you can see what keys I am pressing. Just scroll using arrow keys to see the full content. Pressing escape will take you to the previous screen. Pressing L will show you the logs for that pod. Pressing S will take you into the shell of that pod. Now I am inside the pod's shell and I can run usual shell commands inside that pod. Exit will take you to the previous screen within K9S. We can also do a port forward easily using Shift plus F. Let me go to Core DNS and press Shift plus F. You can specify ports, etc. Okay, going back. You can also check the YAML of your pod by pressing Y. And you see the commands in the top has changed to what is supported within this view. Now I can press E to edit this YAML in my default editor. Close it to apply and get back to K9S. You can run additional commands by pressing colon followed by any command, just like we do it in Vim or VI editor. If you type some command that is not supported, you will see this nice looking cow that makes a meow sound. Now you cannot exit without doing Ctrl-Z or :Q, or I don't know at least. You can also start K9S by passing default arguments. Here let me pass -C deployments to open K9S with deployments view as default. We can directly scale our deployments by pressing yes and giving replica values. And you see in live the progress of the scaling. On enter, it will show the pods under this deployment. Then on another enter, it will show containers within that pod, and enter again will take you to the logs of that container. How cool is that? At the end, you can press :Q and enter to exit, or you can press Ctrl-Z to exit. That's it for today's Trending Thursday. Have a great day. Keep learning.